How to get the animated text in YT Create application. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the animated text in YT Create application. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. You have to open the YT Create application. You can see I have already added up the text. Now you can see that this text is simple. There is no animation effect in this text. Now if I wanted to add the animated text, all I have to do is tap right here on this text, and now you will find the option of the animation. So just tap right here on the animation, and now you can get the any of the animated option. Let me select this one.